Hey friends, this is just a quick and easy little bathroom sign that I made using a Dollar Tree blank for $1.25. I found this over in the craft section. I picked up about 5 of them. I painted it with some white chalk paint. And then I took some blue acrylic paint, also from the Dollar Tree, and just took a dry brush and brushed it through to make it look like a blustery, snowy background. Then I took the top layer of this snowman napkin. I think all the Dollar Trees around here have this particular napkin. Then I carefully took some water and tore around the edges of the snowman and the tree I wanted to use. And I took some Mod Podge and adhered it to the left corner, and I let it hang over the edge just a bit. Then in the upper right-hand corner, I added a snowflake that came from some tissue paper. Also, you guessed it, the Dollar Tree. I used my Cricut machine to cut out the words, "Ho, ho, ho, I gotta go." I added an offset to the words "ho, ho, ho" in white, which gives it kind of a shadowy effect when you put the red letters over top of it. Once I got those burnished on, I did add just the tiniest little bit of Mod Podge over top of the letters. You don't want to use a lot because it'll make the vinyl curl up. Then I added a decal of Santa and his reindeer in the lower right-hand corner, and I took some buttons and made kind of a wreath flowery thing next to the snowman. I adhered all that to the wooden sign and let it dry completely. After everything's dried completely, I take this Rust-Oleum clear gloss sealant from Walmart and I spray it over top of the entire wood just to give it some protection, because it is going to go on my sink in my bathroom and there's probably going to be some water that splashes on it. And here's the final look in my tiny little bathroom. Just a quick and easy little way to make your holidays a little more festive on a budget. I hope you and your families have a wonderful and a beautiful Thanksgiving. And as always, thanks for watching.